Today I have a Ford Mustang Mach E, and I'm going to show you how to lay the rear seats flat so you can have more cargo space in the vehicle. Alright, but before we get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so with that being said, here is my Ford Mustang Mach E. I'm going to lay the seats down flat or fold them down so you have more cargo space. As you can see, I'm going to go to the rear of the vehicle. I have a good amount of cargo space, but if I can lay the rear seats down flat, we'll have so much more. So let's go ahead and get started with that. And the first thing that you want to do before you go ahead and lay them down flat is make sure that the front seats are up forward enough so they can actually have space for the rear seats to lay down flat. Because if you don't have the seats pushed up far enough, you will not be able to lay down the rear seats. So I have the passenger front seat scooted up, and now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and scoot this seat up right here, just like that. You see that? And so I have it up far enough, you know, it's up far enough to where I can lay down the seats and still have space for me to sit in the front. So I'm in the back right here. And so what I'm going to do is, if you come up here, you'll see this button right here. There is a button on this side right here. I'm going to press this. And when I press this, I'm able to pull the seat up. Watch out for the seat belt. Make sure you put that back there. And you look at that. The seat is down flat right here. I'm able to put some things in there. I'm going to show you how to do that one over there. And as you can see, that the front seat is up far enough to where I can lay down this seat right here without the headrest running into it. So that means I can come over here and actually push this one back some, give me a little bit more leg room as the driver. All right, so you have that seat down flat. Now I'm going to go over to the other side of the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and open up the door. And with the door open, I'm going to come over here, and there is a button right here. I'm going to press that. And what that does, it releases it, and it comes down. And remember to take the seat belt and make sure that the seat belt is out of the way. And you can see that this is flat down, folded down. And I have space right back here now. And I can add a whole bunch of things like a Christmas tree or whatnot. And then you see the passenger seat is up far enough to where I can lay down that seat. Do you see this? It's like magic right here. And then to put them back up, all right, one thing you want to do is make sure you have the seat belt out of the way. I like to hold that out of the way so I don't have to deal with it. And there's some signs on here that you have to read. I'm going to pull this up like that, and it clicks into place. And once it clicks into place, that one is in place right here, just like that, locked in place. Then I'm going to go back to the other side, and I'm going to come over here. And do you see this right here? I'm going to take this, remember the seat belt, make sure that's out of the way. Pull this, lock that into place. And it's important that you get the seat belt out of the way, because if you don't, you'll have some issues like I'm having right here. So make sure the seat belt is on top like that. Make sure it's locked in place. And to make sure it's locked into place, you can go ahead and take this and pull on it, and it should not go forward. All right. So that right there is how you lay down the rear seats flat for more cargo space. And I showed you how to put them back into place. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.